Okay, so I wanted to point out a few things because some TI-84s can be a little bit different. So I have in 17,000, and then I have my open parenthesis, and then 0.063 divided by 12, close parenthesis. Then hit your division symbol. Okay, after the division symbol, I'm moving that over so you can see, open the parenthesis for the denominator, and then put 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus, and then again it's that 0.063 divided by 12, and then close that parenthesis. Now this is where some differences come in. When I hit that up arrow key, you can see how it raises negative 12 times 3. Okay, so if yours is raised, then it should just look like that, but make sure after you click the 3 that you go out 1 before you put your whole ending parenthesis for the whole formula. Another thing you can try if that doesn't work is on some calculators you might need to put parentheses around the negative 12 times 3. But I don't think that's what's going on with yours. It might be this ending parenthesis. You have to make sure you get out from where it's raised there. Watch my cursor. See how it's kind of raised there? And then if I click to the right, it gets out of it being raised before I put that other parenthesis. So that's kind of the only thing I can think that might be going on with you. Might even be easiest to just go ahead and calculate negative 12 times 3, and let's just put that there. That's something else you could do. So let me delete this end part off, and let me show you something else you can do. You could put the raised 2, and it was negative 12 times 3, which is negative 36. Make sure you're hitting that negative button and not the minus button. That's another thing some students do. Then click to the right to get out of that where it's raised to a power, and then put your ending parenthesis. So hopefully that's one of those things you're doing wrong. Otherwise, just email me back and we will figure it out. So no worries there. We'll get you straight.